everybody. It's 6 a.m. on a Thursday before I post this. So yeah, let's take this thing on a shakedown. This video is mainly going to be about reviewing the 410 gears in this thing, and boy, it's a ripper on the street. This setup is perfect for my turbo. 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing just rips. We're gonna have to switch that GoPro because it's a piece of garbage. It's cold. This little stretch of road on my way in. It's very pretty. Try to turn my head enough for you guys to see it, but yeah. See, we are going 73. I think this thing's a little bit off. I don't know if it's the calculation based off of the tires and all that, but I'll probably have to mess with that just a hair. Going to 73, about 3,000 RPM. I know the RPM is accurate. It's not the worst. It's fine at 55, 60 miles an hour, fifth gear. That's completely fine. You know, it's just, you know, this would get old after a couple hours. I'm not gonna lie. I've done a lot of road trips in this car with the 373 gears, and that was more bearable. Again, I know I'm bitching about that. I just figured I'd give you an honest review of what the 410s are like in a car like this. But boy, is it just fun on the street. I mean, it doesn't hook very much right now. Let's do a quick little third gear pull. Wasn't the worst. It hooked up pretty good, but it's fun. I mean, you're just like shifting and having a good time.
Many hours later.
All right, guys, it's the end of the day. We're driving home. I went for a little rip at lunch to go get some E85, which I've got in the trunk here. And you know, I know I was bitching about 410s, but they're pretty bitching. I'm not gonna lie, bitching in a good way. I don't know. I'm still back and forth. I'll have to do a little longer review, but I don't drive this car like on the, like, it's not like a highway monster like for me. Like it's a drive it to the track, have some fun. I mean, this has got to be freaking fun in autocross and stuff like that. I mean, we've got a lot to test. I actually am really enjoying this. Hold on, I just got to get over here. This guy's not gonna let me in. I will say before third gear here, you know, third seems like, let's see, we're going like 40-ish, 35 in third gear right now. I mean, we have boost everywhere. I mean, it's just rowdy feeling, I'm not gonna lie. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I'm gonna get into some trouble with you. Oh God. I mean, if you're thinking about 410s and you're all right with, and you don't do a lot of like highway driving long trips, you know, and you have a 5-speed, just do it, man. It peppies the car up. Like, so I've got a 62 on it, and the whole idea of this setup was just to have power everywhere, and I do. that. It's 200 bucks. They're readily available. You blow one up, you put a new one in. What's the big whoop? We're cruising. I can still talk to you guys. If I had Amanda in the car, I would be able to talk to her like this. We just don't cruise at 80. Big whoop. So yeah, I think that's my honest 2 cents. 650-ish horsepower, I'd say, to the wheels. 410 gears. R154. This is a primo setup. I really, really enjoy it. I'm very happy with the car. And now we just got to use it. We got to just go and drive some mountain roads. Oh, mountain roads, and this is going to be epic! Shit, in 5th gear we can get ready to start rolling in a second. Not really, but yeah. Alright, listen to some tunes, and then I'll be back at you for the next pull. Lexus IS300 fits an iPhone Pro 15 Pro Max in the little center thing. Perfect! One last little one. Alright guys, thank you for watching. We're going to do some actual video of this thing up in the mountains and then some autocross. Carolina Motorsports Park's 30-40 minutes away, so we'll do some track stuff there. Maybe we can get on 10/10s and do some track stuff there. Charlotte Motor Speedway does a bunch of nights of racing as well. There's so much stuff to do around here, and I'm going to try and do it all, man. So thank you for watching the review. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'll make it all happen. And if I missed anything, let me know, and I'll make more of it. So yeah, mountain review next, and maybe some, after I get some more seasoning with it, I can give you a better, roundabout idea. But this is my day in the life of 410 gears on the way to work and on the way home. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week. Like, subscribe, you know the thing. Bye, guys.